Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, may I offer my congratulations to all of you who have been awarded the Duke of Edinburgh's Award today.
Spoštovane dame in gospodje, dovolite, da prve besede namenim čestitko vsem tistim, ki ste danes prejeli to pomembno nagrado vojvode.
In the United Kingdom, the Duke of Edinburgh's Award is a highly prized addition to your CV.
V Združenem kraljestvu je namreč ta nagrada zelo pomemben dodatek in priloga k vašemu življenjepisu in vašim referencam.
Because it shows quite clearly that not only have you undertaken something of importance in your own selves,
namreč zelo jasno kaže, kako pomembno se vam zdi vladati sami vase,
but you have shown also social conscience, you've also shown determination and also the will to succeed.
Prav tako ste s tem izkazali družben odnos, samozavest in vašo odločenost, da boste uspeli.
But probably the most important thing is an understanding of your responsibility within the community.
To, kar pa je verjetno najbolj pomembno, pa je razumevanje vaše odgovornosti, ki jo imate v skupnosti.
And I would again not only like to congratulate you on what you have achieved, but what you will go on to achieve as a result of this in your later life.
In zato dovolite, da vam ob tej priložnosti ne le čestitam za dosežek, ki ga zdaj že imate v rokah, pač pa tudi za vse dosežke, ki jih boste dosegli na osnovi te nagrade.
And to everybody else, I'm assuming your parents and friends.
Zdaj pa naj naslovim, če vse ostale ste verjetno prijatelji, starši.
Mostly. Well, I wish you all, again, every success and congratulations on your participation, because without the parents and the schools and the support, then young people like this cannot be successful.
Kakorkoli že, dovolite, da tudi vam vsem izrečem iskrene čestitke in pohvalo, kajti brez vas, pa če ste starši ali cenjeni učitelji, ti mladi prav gotovo ne bi zmogli doseči takih uspehov.
So thank you very much indeed. It's been a great pleasure also on a wider sphere to be able to come to Slovenia, especially at this particular time as you take on the presidency in January of the European Union.
Lepa hvala torej vsem. Naj pa povem, da je to izjemna priložnost mojega obiska v Sloveniji, še posebej v času, ko ste tik pred začetkom predsedovanja Evropske unije z januarja naslednjega leta.
And also to not only reinforce the relations that we already have, but also to forge new and exciting ones in the future.
In to ni le priložnost okrepiti in poglobiti dobre odnose, ki jih beležimo že sedaj, pač pa je naš namen ustvariti pogoje za novo sodelovanje v prihodnosti.
Sadly, this is of necessity a very short visit, but I do look forward to returning in the not too distant future.
Nažalost je moj obisk zaradi obsežnih obveznosti tokrat zelo kratek, pa vendarle se že zdaj veselim daljšega obiska v Sloveniji prihodnjič.
Not only to see how our relationship has developed between the UK and Slovenia, but also to find out how our very successful awards or awardees are progressing in their life. Thank you very much.
Pa ne le, da bom spremljal odlično sodelovanje med našima državama, med Slovenijo in Združenim kraljestvom, pač pa se veselim videti, kako velik uspeh bodo dosegali naši današnji nagrajenci. Hvala lepa.